University or college in Ontario? This is one of the biggest decisions high school students make, and the right answer is not the same for everyone. Universities and colleges both offer valuable post-secondary pathways. They simply serve different goals, learning styles, and career plans. In Ontario, universities usually focus on academic and theoretical learning. They offer degree programs such as bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees. University may be the right pathway if you're interested in fields that require a degree, advanced research, or professional programs. Students often choose university for areas such as science, engineering, business, arts, education, law, medicine, or academic research. Colleges are usually more practical and career-focused. They offer certificates, diplomas, advanced diplomas, apprenticeships, and applied degree programs. College may be the right fit if you prefer hands-on learning, smaller class environments, industry-specific training, labs, workshops, co-ops, or a faster pathway into the workforce. But the decision is not about which one is better, it is about which one fits you. Ask yourself, do I prefer theory or hands-on learning? What career am I aiming for? How long do I want to study? What can I afford? What admission requirements do I need to meet? For university, students usually need the OSSD with 6th grade 12U or M courses, including ENG4U and program-specific prerequisites. For college, requirements may vary by program, and some competitive programs may still require specific courses or strong marks. Canadian Virtual School can help students complete online OSSD credits, upgrade marks, finish prerequisites, and prepare for either university or college. Your path does not have to be perfect from day one. It just needs to match your goals, strengths, and next step. Read the full blog to compare university and college in Ontario before choosing your post-secondary pathway.